Okay, who's painting what? You know what? This easel needs to be adjusted a little. My daddy can do that so it doesn't fall over. There we go. There, okay. Donovan's playing in the water.
Down. Just dripping.
Yeah.
Don't put the whole brush in the water.
So what are you making? What are you painting?
No, I'm not painting.
You're just playing?
Teacher, take your shoe off too.
What are you doing there, Donovan? You're going to destroy that brush.
You can take your shoe off the